In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change your battery for your Kia Optima key fob at home in just a few simple steps. This particular device was used on Optimas between 2014 and 2020, and you will need just one CR2032 battery and a flathead screwdriver to get this done. So the first step is to flip open this internal key here. And now if you turn over to the back, you can see there are two pieces of plastic here. This section we will be removing, and you can just actually push this up with your fingers. It can be difficult, but if you just push that up, you'll see that this piece comes right off. And if that is, if it's a little tight and you're unable to do that, you can take a flathead screwdriver, maybe another key or even a coin, and we're just going to come in here into that area where the key is housed and just pry up like that, and it will come off pretty easily. Now you can set this to the side, and in here we have our CR2032 battery. I'm going to just wiggle my tool in from the top here maybe. If your screwdriver is a little too large like mine, oh yeah, there it goes. So you just need to work on it a little bit. I'll show you that again. You want to come from the bottom here and just get the corner of your tool in there. And be gentle and just try to work it up with a prying motion. If you have a smaller screwdriver, something like this, like a precision screwdriver, which you can get on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. I'll leave a link down in the description to get like a pack of these right here. Just a couple bucks if you need one of those. And then you can take it out quite easily and safely, just like that. So once you have your battery out, take a new one, make sure this positive side goes face up, just like this, and slide it in and click it down so that it sits flush and it won't fall out. And all that's left to do is to click this little piece of plastic back into place and flip your key back in. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, you can let us know in the comment section or by giving us a like. And if you ever need to change another battery in your key fob, you can find us here on YouTube or at our website by the name fobbattery.com.